Hi boys and girls, welcome to Social Studies. This week in Social Studies we're learning about houses and homes, the places that we live. And today we're going to learn about animal homes, the places that animals live at. And this book is called A House in the Sky and Other Uncommon Animal Homes. And so we're going to read part of this book today, and let's get started. Animals, like people, often need a cozy place to sleep, a hideaway for escaping danger, or a safe place to raise a family. They need a house. Here is a house in the treetops. It says the tree kangaroo spends most of its life high up above the forest floor and even sleeps curled up in the branches of a tree. A house can be under the ground. A badger excavates its burrow with powerful claws. It makes a new den often and may sleep in a different home every night. Wow, can you imagine sleeping in a different place every night? Or a house can be under the ground or suspended above it. The reed warbler hangs its nest from reeds or grass, keeping it safe from danger. Some houses are made of bubbles. A Siamese fighting fish takes a gulp of air and then blows it back out. It does this over and over again, creating a floating nest made of bubbles to protect its babies. Wow. And others are made of clay. A pair of red ovenbirds constructs a nest of mud and plant fibers. The finished shelter looks like an old-fashioned baker's oven and keeps the birds and their chicks snug and warm. This house is made of sticks. A beaver family works to fashion a lodge from sticks and mud. When finished, the house has an underground entrance and a cozy chamber that's high and dry. And this house is made of stone. With its tough teeth, the rock-boring urchin chews into solid rock or coral. The urchin may spend its entire life safe in the pit it is gnawed into the seafloor. Here is a house in a hole. When a burrowing owl finds an abandoned prairie dog den, it moves right in. Here is a house in a shell. Wherever it goes, the box turtle takes its house along. If danger threatens, the turtle pulls its head, legs, and tail inside its shell, then clamps the shell closed. Look up, a house in the sky. The common swift spends months at a time in the air, never touching down. Wow, it eats, drinks, and sleeps on the wing. That's amazing. It's up in the air for months at a time. A house can be found. Empty coconut shells make a handy shelter for a veined octopus. If danger threatens, the octopus pulls two shell halves together, hiding within its portable home, or built piece by piece until it hatches and flies away. A cattlefly larva lives on the bottom of a lake or stream and is wrapped in a silken cocoon. It attaches pebbles or sticks to its temporary home to discourage predators. A caddisfly larva. This house is borrowed. A hermit crab finds an empty seashell and crawls inside. After a while, the crab outgrows his burrowed house and has to search for a bigger shell. And this house is fit for a queen. Some termite colonies erect tall mounds of earth that can include hundreds of rooms and millions of insects. The queen and the most important member of the colony lives in a special chamber in the basement. All right, boys and girls, aren't those some interesting homes for animals? We're going to continue reading tomorrow, so thank you for joining me today for Social Studies.